Our representative Aruj Khan is reporting from Karachi. 15 IEEP Fair 2026 open at Karachi Expo Center. The 15th edition of the IEEP Fair officially opened today at the Expo Center, Karachi, and will continue from August 18 to 20, 2026. The event, organized by IEEP Karachi Center in collaboration with Badr Expo Solution, brings together over 200 local and international exhibitors representing the electrical, electronic, and renewable energy sectors. Gracing the occasion as the chief guest, FPCCI Senior Vice President Mr. Saqib Fayaz Magoon stressed the need for Pakistan to promote technology-driven manufacturing, local production, and stronger industry-academia collaboration. Addressing the inauguration of 15th IEEP Fair 2026, he said emerging technologies, including renewable energy, automation, electric mobility, and advanced electronic, offer significant opportunities for economic growth. He said exhibitions like the IEEP Fair help local manufacturers showcase their capabilities, develop partnership, and access international markets. He called for greater investment in research and development and urged manufacturers to improve quality and competitiveness to boost exports. Say, think globally, innovate locally, produce competitively, and export confidently. The inauguration ceremony was attended by distinguished guests including Mr. Zishan Ahmed, Provincial Chief Smeda Sen, Mr. Faisal Ahmed Ukaili, Secretary Environment, Climate Change and Coastal Development Department, Sen, H.E. Jo-hoon Kim, Consul General of the Republic of Korea, and Mr. Boris Gos, Deputy Trade Representative of the Russian Federation. In this welcome address, Engineer Naveed Akram Ansari, chairman of IEEP Karachi Center, underscored the exhibition's role in strengthening industry linkage and promoting collaboration. Furthermore, he said the organization was promoting the Make in Pakistan initiative to encourage local manufacturing and innovation in the electrical and electronic industry. He said a dedicated panel discussing featuring industry leaders and CEOs would highlight the challenge faced by the sector and help bring practical recommendations to the government. He added the product specific presentation would also be held alongside the exhibition to showcase the latest technologies to engineering consultants and industry professionals. Mr. Ansari also announced the launch of the Made in Pakistan Excellence Award this year to recognize outstanding locally manufactured products in relevant disciplines. He said the award would be evaluated by a panel of eminent engineers and academicians led by engineers Khalid Parvez with the aim of encouraging indigenous production, bringing greater recognition to Pakistan's engineering capabilities. Faisal Ahmed Ukaili, Secretary Environment, Climate Change and Coastal Development Department since said IEEP Fair provided a valuable platform for academic, young engineers and industry to build practical partnerships. He stressed the need for greater collaboration between IEEP and the Government of Sindh on climate and carbon initiatives. He noted that the provincial government had endorsed 13 projects covering energy, biowaste, wind energy, solarization, and electric mobility. He highlighted the Delta Blue Carbon Mangrove projects, a successful example of the carbon credit generation, and expressed hope for stronger public-private partnership in future climate projects. IEEP Fair 2026 offers an excellent opportunity to connect with industry leaders, explore innovative solutions, and contribute to a sustainable future. A dedicated registration system and a B2B meeting have also been arranged to facilitate business opportunities and strategic partnerships, said Chief Executive Officer Badr Expo Zuhair Nasir. This is all from my side.